Good morning! We're the Texas representatives for noise, and today we're doing our seatbelt saves challenge.
Throughout the first morning, we were counting cars and the amount of passengers wearing seatbelts, but we also decided to collect a few interviews to create this video and be able to show our school the true importance in a more interactive and immersive experience featuring some of their favorite teachers and students.
So Mr. Maciel, how do you feel about seatbelt safety?
You know, seatbelt safety is highly important. I can't stress the importance of seatbelt safety because any little accident can turn into a bigger accident than accident.
Good morning, Mr. Clark. How are you doing?
Fine.
I see that you're wearing your seatbelt. How do you feel about seatbelt safety?
Well, they taught us when we left the mothership that the only way to safely land on the earth is to be sure you're completely and fully strapped in. So that's a drill. We were drilled over and over. They would strap us into our vehicle, our car or truck or whatever it was, and then when we hit the release point, they'd open the doors, the car would drop out. Actually, they made a movie about it. They showed it at the beginning of the movie Heavy Metal. But this is the way you keep safe, because otherwise you jerk and you can hurt yourself.
That's very good. Thank you for wearing your seatbelt.
Save lives.
Seatbelt save lives, guys.
Also, I see that you're wearing your seatbelt, and I know that you have a daughter. Do you teach your daughter to put on her seatbelt when she gets in the car to promote seatbelt safety?
Well, she's only one, so I do that for her in her car seat. Yes, when she is older, we will now get out of the driveway.
All right, that's what we like to hear. So, Mr. Girsky, I see that you are wearing your seatbelt as well as your children who are in your passenger seat and your back seat. How do you teach them to wear their seatbelt for seatbelt safety?
Well, it's actually really simple because the car doesn't move until everybody in the car has their seatbelt on. And sometimes when you're in a car with kids, that's the easiest part. It's when you're in the car with other adults that sometimes they don't have good seatbelt habits, but I'm just a real pain in the neck about it. And the car doesn't move until everybody has their seatbelt on.
All right, thank you.
Hi, I see you're a student here at the Biscuit. How do you encourage your friends to wear their seatbelt?
I encourage my friends whenever they get in my car, I make sure that they're wearing their seatbelt and they're all safe and secure, and then we'll head to the home.
Well, how do you encourage your friends to wear seatbelts?
Buy them breakfast.
Buying them breakfast? Is that how you
Skills USA Texas State reporter, how do you advocate for seatbelt safety?
Well, as a Skills USA Texas reporter, I would make sure that through the use of social media, I would make everyone aware in Texas and everywhere else to wear their seatbelts.
President, how do you feel about wearing your seatbelt?
Well, by wearing my seatbelt, not only am I being safe for myself, but I'm being safe for others.
I have one question for you, Mr. Student Body Vice President. Why weren't you wearing your seatbelt?
I mean, I was busy and I just forgot all about it.
In order to further encourage the use of seatbelts, throughout the week we played 2 PSAs per lunch, reaching every single student every day. We included the public service announcements of Embrace Life, Second Chance, Utah Seatbelt PSA, Seatbelt PSA by Ad Council in the early 70s, Never Give Up Until They Buckle Up, and Wear It For Them.
If you would, please take a look at the screen so that we can talk to you a little bit about seatbelt safety.
To end the week before holiday break, we wanted a reminder that will last forever. Through the week, members of our team designed and handcrafted these seatbelt reminder teachings to deliver to each student as they walk through the door. This was an extra special effort to keep our students and teachers safe, not only over the winter break, but throughout the rest of their lives. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, wear a seatbelt to save your life.